Hi everyone, I am Bhupendra Adhikari. In this video today I am going to talk about PTE examination. I am going to give you a quick introduction about the formats and some tips and tricks about PTE examination. Guys, PTE is completely a computer based examination, which means there is no any human involvement for the evaluation and scoring system. Here your performance will be evaluated and scored by the computer itself. So if you are going to take part in PT examination, you must have some basic ideas about the technology or computer system, how to use computer. Like IELTS, PT also consists of 4 skills or 4 modules. They are speaking, writing, reading and listening. But the difference between IELTS and PT is that the presentation of the questions or the organization of question pattern is different. In IELTS, each skill is evaluated separately and the score is given separately. But PT is an integrated test. Here, the performance of one skill, the performance of one module contributes to the score of another module. So you need to be careful. In every skill, in every model, you should try to present your best performance. You should try to give your best performance to score higher marks or to meet your expected requirement. So despite you have sufficient knowledge about English language, sometime you may not get your expected score if you go to the real test or examination without knowing the tips and tricks about PT examination. So you must have some knowledge how to perform, how to tackle the problems or questions given in the PT examination. So without delay, let's get right into it. Let's talk about the first module of PT examination, that is speaking. Speaking is one of the important model of PT examination. It consists of 5 different types of questions, or you are given 5 different types of questions. They are read aloud, repeat sentence, retell lecture, describe image, and then give short answer. So what is read aloud? In read aloud, you are given 6 to 7 different paragraphs. So you just need to read the given paragraphs in natural way, without giving unnecessary intonation or unnecessary stress. Here in read aloud, you should not be panicked. You should not think what to read. What to read is already given. You just need to know how to read. So reading is an art. Reading is a skill also. So you need to show your reading skill here. So while reading the paragraph, you should read in a natural way. Don't be too fast. Don't be too slow. And don't give the fluctuation like don't go high and low while reading the paragraph. Just give a normal speed and don't try to be native speaker, because your pronunciation cannot be exactly similar to the native speaker. So don't change your tone as well. Just be normal and read in a normal speed. So the most important thing you should know while reading the paragraph is that don't stop. Give more priority to fluency. Try to be fluent. If you stop once or twice, your score will be between 40 to 50 only. So don't feel hesitation, don't stop, go fluently. And another question is a repeat sentence. Here you are given 10 to 12 sentences. Just listen the sentence and repeat how much you can. Try to repeat exactly how it is pronounced, or you should give priority to content also, pronunciation also, fluency also. But repeat sentence, this one is little bit complicated, but you should give more time to improve your skill about repeat sentence. And another is describe image. Here in describe image, you are given picture, sometime pie chart, sometime bar chart, line chart, or any chart is given. So you need to describe the picture in your own way. So don't be panic. You can follow one template, or you can follow your own format of description. Just see the picture, bar chart, and start describing. Don't feel hesitation. Don't stop just speak fluently, like if there is one pie chart or bar chart is given, just speak like that. The given pie chart clearly demonstrates like that, dot 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 dot, and go like that. And just if there is a date, just present the date, just try to compare and contrast, and finally you can tell like that. The bar chart is quite informative. So just be fluent, then you get your expected score. And another is a retail lecture. Retail lecture, one or two lecture is given. Just listen the lecture, and then at that time write some key points and narrate what is that lecture is about. Here also fluency matters. So try to be fluent. You don't try to be complicated. Don't try to use vast word. Use simple word. Use one simple template and go on describing. And another is answer short question. It is like IQ test. Short question is asked and you have to give a single answer. It is little bit complicated, but it is not too much important, so don't give more time for that is IQ based question. So another part, now let's talk about another chapter, that is writing. In writing, two types of questions are given. One is summarize the written text, and then another is write an essay. And summarize the written text here is different than IELTS. Here you need to summarize the written text in one sentence. You need to write a maximum 75 words, but you should show your art of writing here. Just give one full stop, not other marks like exclamation, question mark. And while writing one sentence paragraph, you need to give comma, and you can use connectors in the middle. Don't use verb in the middle. When verb is used, then the sentence will be completed. So you can use verb in the gerund form. Use ing, and then make noun, then use connectors. And when your word will be like 40 or 50, then give full stop and make it meaningful. So another is essay writing. You have to write an essay between 200 to 300 words. So essay writing also, you should know how to write an essay. Sometime you can write descriptive essay, sometime you have to write an argumentative essay, sometime agree disagree type of essay. So you should know the nature of essay, and you can give your logical ideas. So now let's talk about another module, that is reading. Reading is another important module in PTE examination. So here in reading, you are given 5 to 6 different types of questions. So basically the most important thing in reading is fill in the blanks. 2 types of fill in the blanks are given. One is reading and writing fill in the blanks. You just read and write and fill in the blanks. And then another is fill in the blanks. You can just grab the words and fill in the blanks. So while filling the blanks, you should know that in the blanks you are always required to use noun, verb, adverb or adjective. So you should know whether there is the requirement of verb or noun or adjectives. In next video I will give you the clear idea at what point you can use verb, in what situation you can use adjective, how to know. There are some certain rules and regulation. So besides fill in the blanks, you are asked another question, that is multiple choice. Multiple choice also here is given 2 types of multiple choice. One is multiple choice with multiple answer, another is multiple choice with single answer. So and then after that you are given one question, that is reorder paragraph, reorder sentences. Some sentences are one paragraph is separated, different sentences are given. You need to put them in right order and make a sequence, make a paragraph. So after that another module is listening. In listening, it contains 8 different types of questions or 8 different sections. In listening, you are given summarize the spoken test. One is summarize the spoken test. You listen one lecture, lecture, then you have to summarize what is said there. And another is multiple choice with multiple answer. Here also you need to listen and then choose the multiple answer. Another is multiple choice with with single answer. And then another important thing is you need to select a missing word. One paragraph is written and you listen the paragraph, and which word is missing you need to underline. And here also another module is fill in the blanks. You need to fill the blanks by listening the audio tape. So this is the format of PTE examination, and I am pretty much sure that this video will not be sufficient to get all the knowledge. From this video you are not going to get sufficient knowledge, but I am pretty much sure that if you are beginners, you will know what is the format, what is the format of PTE test examination, and I hope